Hey, what is up there, my lovely YouTube adventure family? It's your boy Ray254 Adventures. For those new to the channel, make sure that guys go hit that subscribe button down below, turn on the notification bell. I'm right here next to this narrow bridge here in Jersey side. The other side over there, and the other side of this river here is New York, Brooklyn side. And yeah, when I was on the bridge, I actually spotted this cool location down here. Wanted to check it out. There's actually a Navy base here, and I see some old cool remains on the other side of this bridge. But seeing this little trail down here in this section, I wanted to check it out. And there was like a beach type of looking thing on this side. Definitely a cool little spot right next to the river here. And I'm just following this little path here, seeing what it takes me to. Got my drone out, so you know I'm gonna get some drone shots of this bridge. I don't think this takes me to the side where all the remains that I was seeing, so we're probably gonna have to walk towards the other way. But just gonna walk over here to this dead end here, what looks like a dead end coming up here, and see what it is before we start turning back. I think we're gonna have to turn back to get to the other side. That's where all the remains and stuff was at, but we're gonna find out now. So that ain't lead to nothing but that little corner over there. So I'm actually coming over here, and I'm just going back towards where the parking lot's at. Just a different direction. The parking lot's over here. We did like a little circle here, and I'm actually gonna try to see if I can get around this bridge here, make my way to the other side. There's like another little trail that goes over here. I seen like this little tunnel looking thing that was over here in this corner. I might go check that out before we start making our way to the other side of that bridge. So let's go over here to this corner and see what this little tunnel is over here. So just over here is what I was actually looking at. It's like a little tunnel here. I don't know where this thing leads to, but we're gonna take a look. I actually have a gate here, and it's open, so we're gonna take a little look in. Hopefully we don't get trapped in here, guys, or nothing comes out of here. Ooh, this thing smells nothing like piss. I don't see what it goes to. It looks like it keeps going on. I don't got a light with me, so I ain't gonna be able to go all the way in there. It's definitely creepy. Try to lock me in there. I lock you in there. But over here it just goes into like another little dead end. Just gonna walk over here. Just getting closer to the bridge over here. So the building I was actually talking about is over there. I can actually see people in the corner of it. You see it? And there's like a little path that goes throughout here. I don't know if this thing leads to that building over there. I'm gonna check it out. See? You know me, I always gotta go and explore. Right here underneath the bridge now. Just making our way to this corner here, getting closer and closer. I don't even think this is like a real trail here that I'm actually walking on. I think this is actually a trail that somebody actually made. Just by kept walking through this little path here, kind of created this trail here that I'm on. Cause this thing is very dirty though. On the side you can see like all the trash, all the pollution that's coming out from this water here, like the plastics and stuff that don't get dissolved and stuff. That's why they're trying to cut down on a lot of plastic, because all this stuff right here, look, all this right here, this is all washed up on the edge here, and that's coming from that water right there. Just look at this. That's why a lot of y'all got to stop doing all that littering, because when y'all litter, this is where it's coming to, right on the side. And it's killing like the fishes and stuff, and all the type of animals that's living in the water, where all this pollution from all this chemicals, whatever bottles is out here. It could be oil, soda, all types of crazy stuff. But we gotta keep our world clean and stop polluting. I'm just walking over here now, starting to get like a little rocky in this section. Oh my God, a pier came up to shore. We should push this inside the water and just float away. That's where like people will get onto a boat. That thing will be flowing into the water. And it's starting to get sandy in this corner here. And trying to get through all this stuff here without getting all messy. Oh, the water coming up. Ah, it's coming up. There's a high tide coming. So we at the bottom now. About to walk over here to the edge, to this corner here. This thing is super cool, just being right here next to this building here. I'm not too sure how old this building is, but it could be very old, probably from like the 1800s. Kind of looks very old. But we're gonna walk around and see if we see any information or anything. I'm just walking over to this corner. Just look at this bridge right on the side. Beautiful view. Just up there you can see actually where I guess like a guard would have been sitting up there watching this area here, making sure nobody came and attacked. And you can see like all the windows here, that's probably where they had like cannons and stuff sticking out these windows, shooting cannonballs out of it. Just right here, walking on the edge here still, making our way around this building. But I'm about to take the drone out and get a little closer to that top up there, see what we can see up there. It definitely looks cool, so let's take the drone out and let's get a shot from up there. Let's walk to this corner first, and as I'm set everything up. So we got to see what it looks like inside. I think we could go all around this building here and actually see it from the front up here. We're gonna find out now. We're about to walk over here. We're on the other side of the building now. It kind of looks the same all around the building. And it looks like there's a path up here that's gonna be turning to the left. But this thing continues on over there. It's like a little pier sticking out. And it's just a beautiful view. That's New York City, just out there. So that continues on over there next to the shore. But there's a little path over here I'm gonna be following. Hopefully it takes us over here to the other side. You can actually get closer to the building here if you could get over here. There's a fence here, so we're gonna find out. You might have to just go around this here. There's a little trail over here somebody made. Since they got it blocked off, they're the fence. Gotta make our way up. Just coming out here, and we are coming to the front of the building here. We just came out from the back, now we in the front. Here goes a little bit of information here. So we're just walking over here. They actually got it closed off right there to go inside of this building here. And they actually got another building here. It looks like it burned down. Some information here on it. we're not gonna be able to check out these buildings because they closed. But it's okay, guys, because we got our drone, so we're gonna fly over this thing and see what we can see. So let's set this thing up over here in this corner, get everything prepared, and let's fly this thing in the air and let's look inside. We didn't get to really see too much from the other side because I couldn't really see the drone. I didn't want to take that chance, but we're gonna go in there this time and take a look. So guys, we're gonna start going up and see what it looks like from the inside. Got the best shots we could have got because it's very windy out here today. So we still enjoyed it. We got to see what it looks like inside, even though you can't go inside of it. But it definitely is amazing, this place here. We just heading back towards where the car is at. We gotta go towards the other side of this bridge here. But we taking another path. This is the main path up here. And yeah, we're just gonna see what else we can see while we head back towards the car. Look at this thing right here. Looks like something was here, like a big cannon or something. You can see like some metal remains here. Something was here also, as you can see here. Probably would have been a big cannon just protecting this area on the side. Some old remains right here, some stonework. Probably would have been like another one over here also. See what's on the rest of the trail here. Looks like something was here. It's probably gonna been like a little bunker or something. They cemented that up. We're gonna keep walking. We're getting closer underneath this bridge here. It's like another information little stand here. You can barely see what it says, but we're gonna take a look at it. I'm gonna show you out a picture, but you can barely see the picture. That's the can that's right there. That would have been in them slots that I was showing y'all a few minutes ago. Look, it looks like something would have been here, like another doorway. Look. a bunker on the ground. See the hinges? People probably won't even know that. There would have been a doorway underneath there. That's where they probably would have been storing all like their animals and stuff underneath the ground there. And up here is crowded because this is the main trail here. Just on the path, on the side, you can see like this big tugboat in the middle right there in the river. Just going nice and slow with a beautiful view. And we walking up to this little stonework here. I don't know what was here. But just up here, to give you a nice view. It looks like there was some more stuff. It's like another little trail here. And there's like all this other like stonework here that goes around. I'm actually not gonna go down this trail here, but there's a little path that goes out there. It looks like there would have been another like cannon in that corner over there, protecting that side. And yeah, this thing is just beautiful. Just gonna go back over here and get back onto the path up here. Going up uphill. Whew, I don't think I could do it.
I don't have the proper shoes.
Yeah, she definitely didn't come with the proper shoes. She came with the flip-flops. That's the Puerto Rican in the yeah. But yeah, this was an unexpected little trail here. We was actually passing by, like I said, and we seen it, so we decided to check it out. And I don't regret it because this place is amazing. I definitely will come here again, and I definitely got to bring Coco because she would love it out here, especially in the big fields at the bottom, especially with the sand. Is that? Whew, Coco will go crazy down there. But we continuing on, coming up to this one parking lot up here, and then we gotta pass this parking lot and go to the parking lot where we at. So now we walking on this road that we came down when we first got here. Just got done passing that parking lot. Just heading down to this lower parking lot next to this little campsite down here. And I don't know what this was here on the side, but some old remains here. You see like this little old door right there. It's like a ladder and all this other stuff up there. Not too sure what that is, but just keep going over here, following the path. Nah, it's too muddy. I would have climbed if I had the proper shoes. Yeah, I'm ready to fight for adventure, but when you fresh like this and already got your shoes dusty like that.
Exactly, you said it already.
Yeah, but I ain't trying to get it. I ain't trying to get it muddy. So no, guys, I'm not gonna do it. I showed y'all from the gate. It wasn't that cool. It was cool enough to see it from over the gate, but not to go out there and get muddy. Just heading back over here to this lower parking lot, which is over here, a few feet away. And yeah, we almost out of here. I don't know what the heck this is right here, but it's like this cool little structure here of a building. And that's, I think, the campsite right there at the bottom. Yeah, that's the little campsite there. Only got a few little spots, but there's a lot of cool little views down there. And this is the parking lot over here where we parked at.
And I'm still getting bills.
So there's another trail that continues on over there to the side. But we're gonna walk to our camper over here in this corner. Start making our way out of here. So hope y'all guys enjoyed it. If y'all did, please do me a favor, smash that dumb buttons up, go hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because we're gonna make our way out of here. So see y'all guys next time. Peace.